Good morning, Grandpa.
Good morning, my dear.
Where are you going?
I'm going to feed the chickens.
Can I come with you?
Of course, come with me.
Wow, there are so many chickens.
Yes, they are hungry this morning.
Let me help you, Grandpa.
All right, throw the food gently.
Look, Grandpa, they are eating.
Yes, they look happy.
Grandpa, look, a baby chick.
Yes, it's very small.
It's coming to me.
Maybe it likes you.
Hello, little chick.
Be gentle with it.
It's so cute.
Yes, baby chicks are always cute.
Grandma, where are we going?
We're going to pick some vegetables.
Really? What kind of vegetables?
Let's see, maybe some morning glory and chili?
Can I help you pick them?
Of course, my dear. Just be careful.
Look, Grandma, the flowers are so pretty.
Yes, they bloom every morning.
Grandma, do you like flowers?
Yes, I do. Flowers make the world gentle.
This one smells so nice.
Nature always gives us little gifts.
Grandma, we're here.
Yes, this is our little vegetable garden.
Wow, the morning glory looks so fresh.
Let's pick some for dinner.
Okay, I'll help you.
Thank you, my little helper. That should be enough for today.
Really? We picked a lot.
Yes, let's go home now.
Are we going to cook them?
Of course, fresh vegetables are the best.
Yay! I'm hungry already. Grandma, we're home.
Yes, we are, my dear.
I'll help you cook, Grandma.
All right. Thank you, my dear.
Grandma, let me help wash the vegetables.
Of course, my dear. Let's wash the water spinach together.
Okay, Grandma. Grandma, what are you doing?
I'm cutting the vegetables.
Can I help you cut them?
No, my dear, the knife is very sharp. I'm afraid you might cut yourself.
Oh, okay, Grandma.
But you can get me a bowl.
All right, Grandma. Grandma, what are you cooking?
I'm cooking the water spinach we picked today.
It smells so good.
Yes, it will be ready soon.
I can't wait to taste it, Grandma.
Thank you for helping me today, my dear. All right, the food is ready.
I'll help set the table, Grandma.
Thank you, my dear.
Where should I put the bowls?
Put them on the table, please.
Okay, Grandma. Grandma, the food looks so delicious.
I'm glad you like it, my dear.
Thank you for cooking, Grandma.
You're welcome. Thank you for helping me today.
I had so much fun.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat.